There are many breeds of chickens that are known for their egg-laying abilities, but here are three of the most popular. Rhode Island Red. The Rhode Island Red is a dual-purpose breed that is known for its hardiness, calm demeanor, and excellent egg-laying abilities. They can lay up to 300 brown eggs per year and are known for their large, high-quality eggs. Leghorn. The Leghorn is a lightweight breed that is known for its high energy and excellent egg-laying abilities. They can lay up to 280 white eggs per year and are prized for their efficiency in converting feed into eggs. Australorp. The Australorp is a docile and friendly breed that is known for its large, brown eggs. They can lay up to 250 eggs per year and are a popular choice for backyard flocks due to their calm temperament and ease of care. While these breeds are popular for their egg-laying abilities, it is important to note that the actual number of eggs produced can vary based on factors such as diet, living conditions, and individual health. It is also important to choose a breed that is well suited to your climate and living conditions.